Hello, l- let us learn about round robin partitioning in DataStage jobs. The purpose of data partitioning is to divide a large input dataset into multiple segments or partitions and process each partition in a separate processing node, thereby improving the performance of DataStage job. In round-robin partitioning method, the first record of the input dataset goes to the first processing node or partition. Second record goes to the second processing node and so on until the last processing node or partition is reached. When the last processing node is reached, the process starts over. Now, round robin method creates approximately equal sized partitions of input dataset. So this is the method that datastage job normally makes use of initially to partition the input dataset. In this example we have shown we have total 17 number of records in the input dataset, from which the first record went to first processing node, second record went to second processing node, third record went to third processing node. Since this is the last node, the process should start again from the first processing node. So the fourth record went to the first processing node, fifth record went to second processing node, sixth record went to third processing node, and this process starts over until all the records in the input dataset has been partitioned equally. So as you can see, my first node and second node has 6 number of records, whereas the last node has 5 number of records only, because we have no other record left in the input data set to be written over here. However, all these nodes are having approximately equal size of data, which is why round robin method is very useful in creating approximately equal sized partition of input dataset. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to post them in the comments section. Have a nice day.